how to make another account on Roblox on the same device. So first, what you want to do is just open up your browser, then go to roblox.com. So I have my browser right here. So what you want to do is just open up the website. Once you're here, you want to log out first. So make sure that you know your password and stuff, like your email and your phone number connected, so that you could go back to this or your particular account that you will be logging out. And as you can see, when you go to settings here on the top right, you will see your email address, and you could also check your password if you have forgotten it. Then once you're done with that, you simply need to log out just by clicking on the gear icon on the top right side again. Then just simply click log out right here. Yeah, wait for it to load. Then once you're here on the login to Roblox page, you simply need to sign up or log into your new account. But for this video, we're going to make a new account right here. So click on the sign up word right here at the bottom. Then you would be redirected to the sign up page. So I'm just going to make a new account, then I'd go back to you guys. And that's how you make another account on Roblox. So as you can see, I have my new account right here. But if you want to use your other account on the same device, you simply need to download the Roblox app on the Microsoft Store. So if you want to download it, just simply go to your Windows menu right here. And I have my Microsoft Store right here at my menu. But if you don't have it, just simply search it on the search bar at the top and search for Microsoft Store. Then click on that. Wait for it to load. And just simply click on the search bar again at the top, then search for Roblox. Tap or click on enter. And here Roblox, so I have mine installed. You just simply need to install it right here. There will be a install button right there. So just install it, then open it up, and you just need to simply log in to your account. And that's how you basically make another account on Roblox on the same device.